Kannada professor. She's retired now and she's rendered wonderful service in the field of education. We are honored to have her here and we thank her for being here with us. And the next is Dr. Mala Muralidhar, and she is by profession a clinical psychologist. She consults in a lot of hospitals in Bangalore. She has her own private setup as well. I've grown up in the world of music because her mother is a renowned veena player, so she's grown in that environment. She's been into classical music for more than 15 years now and also pursuing Hindustani music for the past 2+ years. She's also given a lot of concerts on pure classical plus light and Bollywood as well. So it's great to have her here and I'm sure you'll have a wonderful experience with us. I'd like to welcome Sachin. Sachin is on the guitar. He is a software engineer by profession and self-learned on the guitar. He's been playing for more than 5 years now with passion in his mind and music in his heart. I'm sure he's ready to rock. Let's welcome him. And last but definitely not the least is Chirantan Rao. And he's still a student in 12th standard now. He's learning both classical vocal and also the tabla. He's learning for more than 10 years on music by Sri Lakshmi Narayan Bhatt and tabla with Sri Santosh Hegde. And please give a warm welcome. So as we're ready to start, the first raga the artists have picked up is Rag Yaman. I'm sure you would have heard or come across this rag because it's the most popular. The reason it's popular is because it's very versatile and given that it's it's a scale is the most simple scale, yet it's beautiful in terms of it gives a lot of versatility to change or improvise the raga. So this raga is the basic raga that's taught when anyone starts Hindustani, given the plain notes that it has. But the raga itself renders really for every mood, like whether it's longing or love or joy or melancholy. So it gives itself a possibility to add any of these feelings or emotions into the songs. And some of the most famous numbers have been done in Rag Yaman in Bollywood, so I'm sure you'll get a glimpse of it. This is typically sung in the evening, sunset, late evening. That's the time at which this raga is sung. So we have, because it's versatile, it allows a lot of creativity into this raga, and you'll see that in some of these compositions. So without much ado, I'll hand over to the artists. I welcome them once again, and hope you have a wonderful journey.
Good afternoon, one and all. Thank you, Rupa, for the wonderful introduction. Thank you, Bajagas Band, for this opportunity that you have given us to present a small act here. I hope all of you enjoy this and be with us in this performance. As introduced by Rupa, this is Rag Yaman. And Rag Yaman, to begin with this rag, I am going to present a small bandish. Bandish is one of the beginning of the Hindustani music where we show the rag in certain ways where rag is displayed in this bandish and we learn about the rag through this bandish. So this is all the popular bandish I am trying to present here and we'll begin from there. Thank you. The scale of this raga goes like this. Moving ahead, we are trying to present this beautiful rag and we'll go to our movie segment now. And we will begin with a movie which was released in 1968. The movie is Saraswati Chandra and the original singer is Mukesh Ji. This song that we are going to present here depicts the sweetness of this rag very beautifully. Here we go. The next piece we are going to present here is a beautiful ghazal, and the original singer is the Queen of Ghazal, Farida Khanum. This is sung by various artists also in their own ways, but I am going to sing the original version of this ghazal, and beautifully depicting this Rag Yaman. It's very, very intricately woven into this song, and let's see how it goes. I think many of you must have heard this ghazal. Yeah? Now, moving on to our next song. This is a song from movie Chicho, which was released in 1976, sung by our legendary Jesudas. And this song is a classical piece which depicts Rag Yaman very beautifully. I'm very happy to sing this song on the stage, and with all the artists, giving this the magic it requires. Moving to our next song in the segment. This is a song from movie Jangi, which was released in 1961. The playback singer is none other than the Nightingale of India, Lata Mangeshkar Lataji, and also it was sung by Mohammed Rafi. This song, it shows the pain and love which defines this Rag Yaman. Love and pain, and the tune that they have incorporated in this song has very beautifully shown this Rag Yaman to us.
मुझे
song we are going towards is we'll move towards 1990s, and this is the last song in this segment of Yaman Rag. And this is a very beautiful song from movie Ram Lakhan, sung by again Lata Mangeshkar. And the song goes here. Oh,